This is your sign to take action and master the art of SEO. Are you waiting for a sign to level up your game in affiliate marketing? Well, this is it, my friends. Search engine optimization, SEO, is your secret weapon to skyrocketing your affiliate marketing success. It's all about getting noticed by the right audience. Just follow these steps to start seeing remarkable results in your business. 1. Keyword research. Identify high-impact keywords. 2. On-page optimization. Optimize content and meta tags. 3. High-quality content. Create valuable, original content. 4. Backlink building. Build reputable backlinks. 5. Technical SEO. Ensure site performance. 6. User experience. Improve navigation and speed. 7. Local SEO. Optimize for local searches. 8. Regular updates. Keep content fresh. 9. Analytics and monitoring. Use data tools. 10. Adapt and learn. Stay updated. 11. Competitor analysis. Study competitors. 12. Mobile optimization. Be mobile friendly. We're here to break it down, step by step. From keyword research to on-page optimization, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for actionable advice right here. Hit that follow button and let's embark on this SEO mastery journey together.